So we've been having problems with audio coming across Dante from our sound desk to my laptop, going into DVS, which then gets read by Reaper and recorded, typically 24-ish channels of audio, and then we get these little glitches that sound really terrible. So this program is something I've written to have a look at fixing that. So that there's a detector that goes through and looks for large jumps in sample values and then marks them with these red lines. And this is what they look like at a sample level. So I've also written a little bit of a repair utility which takes this sample and just interpolates all the values along there like that. So it's pretty naive, but it's better than nothing. Obviously, if you were smarter about it, you would take into account the frequencies going on at the time and do spectral stuff, but yeah, it's beyond my pay grade at this point. But anyway, let's have a listen to what it sounds like before the repair. So if I just go over here a bit and go... Yeah, that's pretty ugly. So let's just go and repair all of this. I can automate this to run faster than this. This is just testing. Alright, and now let's play. Pretty usable. I'm happy with that.